Hi guys, Beth here from Abby's Attics Creation. Today we're going to be unboxing the Creality Ferret Pro. Come on, let's get to it. Hello guys, Beth here from Abby's Attics Creation. Today we're going to be unboxing the Creality Ferret Pro. You see here the case, it's a very nice sturdy case. Everything inside is packed very well. You have your manuals, of course, your instruction manual and your warranty. You have the ferret here, which is a great compact size, light, easy to carry. I absolutely love the size of this thing. Next up, we're going to have the little tripod, which is going to come in handy for, doing some of your scanning. We have the tilt for when you mount it onto a tripod. We have the phone mount that will go onto your phone and help connect the camera to your phone so you see what you're doing. And then we have the rechargeable handle, which is also light and compact as well. So it'll definitely be easy to handle and move around while you're scanning. This is your wireless bridge, and this will be connected from the ferret to your phone. And of course, it's going to come with all of your cables to connect everything, your power cable, your USB cable for the PC and the Type-C connector. So it's going to have everything you need to get started up and running very quickly. They also include all of the markers that you're going to need to start scanning right away. Stay tuned for all scanning videos and tutorials coming soon. If you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe for more.